All right, let's go ahead and do a weekend recap here and just kind of look at a little bit, just kind of look through price action. I won't spend a lot of time here on a whole lot. Friday's recap, actually, I spent a lot of time kind of going over the longer time frames, looking at some key levels. And one of the key levels is where we really hit right now on Saturday. Now, what we want to kind of watch for here at the beginning of the week as we come into Monday. Monday will actually kind of tell us a little bit, but we were talking about the 112,000, 110,000 right in that range. We did bounce on Saturday. We did bounce right at that level, and then we started to come back up. Now here we're on the 15-minute chart. You can see we're getting back above the 200 again. That's always a good sign. It's a good stair stack, so we can start looking at the 30-minute time frame, see if we get above the 200. Really what we're looking for though is this 1 hour and 4 hour to really get back above the 200. The other thing I would be watching for is for this 4 hour to start to roll over on the 200, to start to see it kind of come back up and over and come over price action. Kind of like when you see here, it started to roll back over. It did help us to kind of tell us, are we going to come back up and hold, or are we going to get pushed back down? But yeah, once it starts to roll over, then that's more of a bearish mindset unless it can recover that 200. So going back into the 200 right now, or the 15-minute right now, we're sitting in that area here on the charts. Is we're above the 15-minute 200, the 15-minute 200 is coming up. The 21 has crossed over and climbed back up through the rest of the Saturday, and now we're back in this area. So yeah, if you were looking at trading, this was a good move right through here. If you were looking at taking opportunity, for me, I would want to see this start to curl and start to head back up, and that's why a lot of times it's hard to trade on Saturdays, because price action doesn't match a lot of times moving averages and indicators. But you can see this big strong pressure coming down. We did start to get the cross here, but with this still coming down, this could have been not a strong flag, and then we could have lost this 200 and start to fall back down again and head back down. So what I would have wanted to like to see is this curl back underneath and get some strength up. Now you could have went into the 5-minute during that time and saw if you got a little bit stronger move. So if you were going to take that move that we're looking on the 15-minute, you can see that it did cross here as well. In Saturday evening, and then right here was the cross here on the 15-minute. So you could have used that as your area of strength because we did get the cross back here, like I was talking about, and then we started getting this pushing up. So you could have used that as your indicator right through here. You could have used the 200 as the move, and 115,000 right now, right in that range, is we're really looking for about 115,000 to get recovered. That's why you can also see it's a rejection zone. So if we could reclaim that 115,000 or so, that's going to put us back in that position of strength, and that rollover pressure will get relieved. So we do want to reclaim that area. Otherwise, we're going to get that as constant resistance. And as long as we keep getting broken down, that's more of a strength to go down and take out this level and go down to those lower levels I was talking about on Friday. So guys, that is about it for the weekend. There wasn't a lot going on at the weekend too. It's always you always get weird price action. Sometimes they set up it's clean trade. Sometimes you find that on a Saturday or Sunday. But yeah, the weekend trading is always be careful because it does show it wants to go up and it goes down. There's just not a lot of strength, liquidity, a lot of money getting moved in and out just because the rest of the markets are closed. But other than that, guys, that kind of wraps up the weekend recap. We'll kind of watch, definitely see kind of what's going on. This week's going to kind of help us get a better understanding, and we'll keep you updated with the recaps and also our live, which is going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 8 o'clock. That'll also keep you up to date on what is going on. So thank you guys, like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.